kitchen and garden. It's a very windy day today, so I might have to end up doing a voiceover for most of this vlog, but I wanted to show you the storm damage we'd had. It's been 2 weeks since Storm Ciara and 1 week since Storm Dennis, and Storm Dennis didn't really do that much, but Storm Ciara really did mess us up. So I'll talk you through what occurred there. Here is my mini greenhouse, which totally got blown over, as did my mini greenhouse, which used to sit here and is now in a heap over there, because that got totally flattened. I don't know how it happened, but my big greenhouse fell on top of this little greenhouse and just wiped it out really. So I've got to try and rebuild that. I think I can rebuild it. I just need to use more timber. If I come back to this, I'll put in a photo of what it was looking like, because as you can see, it was totally flattened and everything went over. It's missing the top pane, which is on the bottom there on the floor, and this side pane is in need of a bit of repair as well. And inside, I don't quite know how it went over, because I did have, see here the remnants of soil. I did have my potatoes in pots in here, and I had carrots in pots in here, and I had all my onion seedlings, which are now on the floor there. They cannot be rescued, so I need to replant my onion and leek seedlings, which is really disappointing. But these ones survived. These leeks, I don't know how they managed to survive, but survive they have. So the multi-sown leeks have survived. But that was about it really. Everything else, oh, and this pot of leeks up here too, that's sort of survived too, but I don't know if there's much point in keeping them going. My butternut squash well and truly got bruised and is now not very nice. But my Turk's turban, these things are like bomb proof, honestly. They are really, they will keep going and stay fresh for, you know, forever. So that's what's happened out here. I'll take you around the back and show you some of the fence panels and other things that have gone haywire too. So here we have lots of wooden sticks that have blown over. That was meant to go on the chicken coop as fascia to stop the chicken wire from scratching your hands. And here are 2 missing fence panels. If I come here, these got totally blown away and are now broke, so they can't go back. But this does give me a chance to show you my neighbour's garden through there. Mary has very kindly given me that patch at the back to plant into, so I'll have extra growing space this year, which I'll probably fill with potatoes and peas and beans. So that's very exciting, but I haven't asked if I can film there, so I'm just showing you a sneak preview through the fence. The actual chicken coop is still up intact, but the gate is a bit, the door is a bit haywire. The chairs have been blown over, but that's no big deal. I'd like to say all this wood was part of the storm damage, but that wasn't. That's just where I've dumped it, that I brought back from the allotment. And again, more dumped wood there, although I think that was on the table, so maybe that's got blown off. And lastly, my poor little cold frame has this top bit got completely ripped off. It's see if I can show you around here. Yeah, you can sort of see where that is meant to be, like sitting flush with this. And you can kind of see where the the screws have been ripped out. So a big gust of wind must have come and just totally lifted this up like that, and then just ripped it all off because I found it in the field. And I almost forgot to show you my children's playhouse, which has been moved a considerable amount really. It is now well and truly on the walk. So we'll need to put this back. That leg has fallen down a ditch. That leg has come off, so we'll need to shift that back into place as well. And there's the fence panels that broke. Trampoline, I don't think that's broke, it's just that the netting has come off. I hope that's all that's happened with that. I think it's fine. I've come into my greenhouse to finish off this vlog because you know, it's not windy. Unfortunately, my big greenhouse hasn't had any damage to it, which it is amazing really. I was expecting this to go, but fortunately it hasn't. So although things have been damaged, it's not irreparable. I've bought some more onion and leek seedlings to plant, as well as some sets. I bought some red onion sets because I couldn't find any red onion seeds when I was looking. I probably could have if I'd gone to a different shop, but I couldn't find any of them, so I thought, oh well, I'll just buy some red onion sets. So I've probably now got far more onions than I need to really, but we'll just sow them and see what comes up. And that's what I'm going to do today now on this blistery cold and wet day. Although if the sun is out at the moment, I'm going to go in and do some seed sowing, I think. But first I'm going to just tidy up the garden and maybe take some things to the dump that need taking. So it'll be a busy day, but I don't think I'll be getting much done. But I'll show you my progress in the next vlog. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Hopefully catch you next time.